Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. We're going to be working on my Porsche Cayman 987.1 model. We're going to be changing out the rear strut stabilizer bars for the hatch. Thumbs up, subscribe, we'll get started. Before you get started, go ahead and go over to the trunk. Whoops. Let me walk around. Alright, so from the driver's side. Okay. Let me zoom in. It's right there. So now from the back, you'll notice that mine just kind of stays put like that. It should go up automatically, so my struts are weak. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so again, I'm just going to show you what mine looks like right here. Watch it go up very slowly. And I'll show you. See how slow that is? I'm going to go ahead and replace it with these two right here. Alright, so what you're going to need is a super fine flat blade screwdriver just like this. You're going to go over to the top, wedge this in there like this. It's quite difficult to do with a camera. Hold on, we'll put the camera down. Alright, hopefully the camera doesn't fall. Alright, let me go ahead and show you what I just did. Now you're going to do the same thing on this bottom part. And then it should come right off. Alright. That should be good to pull off. Okay. I'll put the camera down, do the same thing for the bottom. Now you're going to get your replacement. You're going to want to prep it kind of in the same way. So put it in that flat blade screwdriver right here so you can snap it right in place. Alright, so I got my replacement. Put a little bit of dialect grease. It should clip right into that spot right there. Yeah. Perfect. Let's go up top. I gotta put the camera down. Alright, so that is that. Alright, so I'm pretty much done. Take a look at it now. Ooh, it goes all the way up. So this makes it very easy to put it into a service position so that you can have access to your engine bay if you needed to. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the video. If you like it, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner, and I will see you on the next one.